I'll start with a practice exercise from section D. So this one has three premises. The first premise says either B or C. Second premise says conditional, if C then D, and if D then F. And then the third and final premise says either if B then G, or not either, and actually, so if B then G, and if P then H, right? And I'm told the conclusion has to be G or D. Right? The conclusion here is a disjunction. The first thing I like to do is to look at my conclusion, look at the simple statements I see here, in this case G and D, and look to see if where they're listed in the premises. So here, for example, I see G listed here, I see D listed here, and also here. Now, when I see a conclusion that's a disjunction like that, one of the things that usually pops in my head is I might be looking at a constructive dilemma here. So, especially since I have a conditional statement with G as the consequent and a conditional statement with D as the consequent, then I know that if I have B or C, as I do right here, I can use constructive dilemma on those two items to get to the conclusion I want. So what I need to do then is to basically get rid of this conditional, get rid of that conditional, so I just have those two components left. Then I can conjoin them together and use constructive dilemma. So that's what I'll do. Premise 4, I will simply simplify one of those, either the second or the third premise to get the conditional I want. I'm going to go with number 3 first, actually, just because I want to have the G first. Just the way I like to order it in my head. So I will have if B then G, and that's going to follow from line 3 by simplification. Right. Then line 5, I'll do the same thing with line 2. So I'll have if C then D from line 2, simplification. Right. Then finally, I'll be able to conjoin them together like I want. So I'll have if B then G, and if C then D. Right, that's going to be lines 4 and 5, conjunction. And then now I'm ready to do my constructive dilemma. I have if B then G, and if C then D. I know it's either B or C, so I know that's going to be either G or D. That's going to be from line 1, line 6, right, and constructive dilemma. Proof done.